Here's the Hercules amp, Hercules 444. I fired up on 15 meters. You can hear the power supply has quite a hum to it. Big transformer sitting here, humming away. I'm running this thing on 115 volts. Anyway, seems like you can select the band here. And I'll go to 15 now. And you'll get a control light here until you go to operate. Light goes out. So until I go to operate, the linear will pass RF right through. So here we're on 15 meters. Tune mode, give it some RF. This I have after the linear going right to the antenna, and no SWR on here to speak of really. Do a set and a read. There's no SWR. All right, so that then says, what about the linear? Okay, we're on 15 meters here. This thing's on 15 meters, go to operate. I'm on forward power here. There's the milliamps or the amps. This thing will kick out with a CTL and a balancer when I apply some power to it. So tune mode, apply some power. You'll hear it kind of groaning and soften up the power. Okay, gonna rotate the power up now. I'm on tune mode. And you can see it taking some amps there. A little bit of power coming out, but not much. 20 watt scale. Okay, so I'm showing 20 watts here, and on this scale, 200 watt scale, there's about 20 watts there, and it looks shaky. So here's the linear running. If I crank up the power a little more, I'm not putting out much on the transmitter exciter, so anyway, if I crank it up, it'll trip. Cranking it. I'm reading a shaky, oh, I have SWR on my antenna blowing around in the wind. So I'm reading about 60 watts there. On this thing I'm reading about 60 watts, which is accurate. And cranking the power up. On the radio now I'm putting in about almost 20 watts into the amp. Getting about 80 out. Cranking it up. Whoop, tripped. And there's the trip. I get a control air and a balance air. So that's it on the amp. Got to research those. Power off. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.